Hey, James here with Larry's Club, and this week I'm going to be telling you about how you can accomplish really simple everyday tasks using math. Things like how to go to a grocery store and teach your child how to make change to make sure that they've gotten the correct change, as well as how to make a purchase. So we're actually going to show you using and this has been used by dozens of parents with Math Kit 1, and it's been used with thousands of children who've been able to learn the different value of different coins using some of our plastic coin sets. And today we're actually going to show how to buy this dice, which is worth 8 cents, using a dime. And we're going to make change while going through it in order to show the student how to do simple math problems using very real world concrete examples. So I'm going to go ahead and go through lesson 3-51, which is called Money and Making Change. As you can see, there's a table here that you can use to do several other problems, but I'm just going to go right through it. So first we're going to give the student a set of coins and pick up a die. So I've got my die here, got my coins, and I say, let's play a shopping game, except this time I'll be the shopper and you be the store. I'm saying this to the student. I want to buy this die for 8 cents, but I only have a dime. Let's see if you make change for me. So we say to the student, how much is a dime worth? And hopefully by this point you've gone through and shown them through one of the other lessons how much a dime is worth. If not, you can go ahead and check out some of our other videos on how you can teach your children the value of different coins. So the die costs, you may take a dime and exchange it for 10 pennies, which you may put down on the mat. So we're going to have our student take a look at the dime. Assumes you played the exchange game before. Again, if you haven't, go ahead and check out some of our other videos. We've got a couple videos showing that and how to go through the decimal system as well. So the student is going to pick out, hopefully, 10 pennies. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you have a younger child who isn't quite here yet, you can count them out with them and say, good, that's a dime is worth 10 pennies. So we have this dime here. And you may take my dime and exchange it for 10 pennies, which you may put on the mat. We did that. The die costs 8 cents, which you may take away 8 cents for the die. So I'm going to go ahead and put my die here since I'm buying this now. Now I've got 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got my 8 cents here. How many cents are left? Now we ask the student to point to how many cents are left, and they'll say 1, 2. That is my change. May I have my change, please? This is what I say. So the student would then give me my change, and I would give them the 8 cents right there. Now, you may write this as an equation. I say this to the student. The student has trouble if your student doesn't really understand what equations are yet. That's okay. You can walk them right through using this process. Now, I would say to my student, you may write the number 10. How many did you take away for the die? So in this case, they're going to write the number 10. And they'll be thinking about, oh, how many did we take away for the die? And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you may write a minus sign after the 10 because we are taking away. And then the number 8 for the number of cents we took away. And now pause. So in this case, the student would write the minus sign and then would write the number 8. And now we say, now how many cents were left to us as change? Now in this case, the student would see we have 2 cents here on the mat. You may write the equal sign and then the number 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. So in this case, we're showing them a very real-world example of a concrete example of how to do addition, subtraction, and that is equal to 2. Now repeat for various amounts with both nickels and dimes until the student is competent and has closure. So that is how you teach your student how to do simple tasks like making change Now you can give them $1 and go ask them to buy you a pack of gum, or how to be able to calculate if they want to go in and buy a candy or a bag of chips. But obviously they're going to need to know things like the decimal system in order to do that. We have other videos talking about that, so hopefully this helped you see how you can help teach your child the value of different coins, as well as things like how to make change and how it relates to addition subtraction. Very concrete example of math. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you found this helpful, as well as if you have any questions. And thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing about how your child makes their first purchase. So thanks, and I'll see you soon.